it comes to any stuff that I buy only, I always look for its quality and durability. First impression compares by its packaging, how they wrap and secure the items before delivery. Hello guys, in this video, I will give a commentary reaction, honest review to this product. So let's make it fast and where we going to open it. This is a carving hair clipper, professional hair cutting machine, barber rechargeable hair trimmer, metal haircut machine, clipper for men. It's made of titanium. Hanging design, stainless steel material. This item is tested long battery life and high efficiency because of large capacity, lithium battery, strong motor, and low frequency vibration. For me, it is what the seller describes: good quality for the price, very useful to use at home, well packaged, I can recommend, and good purchasing experience. I think these clippers will work good. Just make it fully charged before using, guys. Razors are often used in shorter hair. Anything longer requires a quick trim with your trimmer, followed by a closer shave with your razors. Razors are typically used to shave. Always remember to run the shaver against the grain. Use your free hand to slightly pull and tighten the skin so the hair is standing up tight for a cleaner cut. Never use extensive pressure with the shaver or your skin, which might lead to irritability. So guys, try it to yourself now. Check this item on AliExpress in its lowest price as they offer great sale. Grab it now. Thank you.